Very good morning, dear students. Today we can solve the problems of regular Falsi method by calculator shortcut. Example, find the real root of the equation x cube minus 2x minus 5 equal to 0, correct to the 3 decimal places by using the regular Falsi method. My dear students, solution. This is a rough. Before doing this problem, we have to make a planning. What is that planning? In a rough, you can do. This is not a part of the solution. Now, you can use the calculator Casio FX 991 ES plus. Now, on the calculator, then press the shift button and then mode button and then number 6, that is a fix, equal to 3 means the examiner asks you 3 decimal places. So that I have fixed the answer for 3 decimal places. Okay. Then next. Now here examiner already given you the problem. F of x value is given x cube minus 2x minus 5 equal to 0 given by examiner. And it's a real root you have to find out. Now by the calculator we can find the final answer of the real root. Okay. And afterwards, you make adjustment and write the final answer. Okay. In order to find the real root of this equation, look here. You press the mode button and COMP button and then alpha x, shift x square button means you brought the x cube on the display of the calculator. Then minus button and again 2 button and alpha x. You bring the minus 2 there. Now, minus 5, you bring the minus 5 and equal to sign, alpha equal to button. Then equal to 0, you press the 0. On the display of calculator, you brought the x cube minus 2x minus 5 equal to 0 on display of the calculator. Then, my dear students, remember this step. Press the shift button and solve button and equal to button. Then, on the display of calculator, this value you are getting. And again equal to button and means answer. Here, the final answer required is 2.095. Now, your final answer should be 2.095, my dear students. And this is a required answer, that is, say, root. This is the root. The required answer, that is the root equal to 2.095. My dear students, now you have to make a planning for this. What is the planning? We have to show that root lies between 2 and 3. 2.095 means the root lies between 2 and 3. We have to show it. We have to show that root lies between 2 and 3. Then, and lies nearer to 2. And lies nearer to 2, we have to show. Then root lies between 2 and 2.5. Nearer to 2 means it lies between 2 and 2.5. Again, show that the root lies between 2 and 2.1. Then use the regular Falsi method. This is the planning we have to do. Okay, in the answer. Now, my dear students, actually I am going to find the answer now. Look here. Find the location of root of fx. X cube minus 2x minus 5. Okay. Then make this table and x call x row and fx row. Fx equal to x cube minus 2x minus 5. Okay. And I have to give the values of fx. Then I have to show that the fx lies between the 2 and 3. Therefore, what you do? You press the mode button. You press the mode button and 7. Look here. You press the 7 button. Then fx is coming. On the display of calculator, fx is coming. Look here, fx. And fx equal to, you can write this. Look here. What is here? X cube minus 2x minus 5. Then equal to button. Say equal to button. then equal to button. Here, starting a task. Now you can directly use this 2 and 3. I know that bit lies between 2 and 3. But examiner should not think that you have remembered the answer from the home. Therefore, you press the 1. You start with the 1. And start with the 1, then that is starting 1. And 1 equal to button. It is asking end value. End value is 3. 4 you write. End value 4. Okay. And equal to. Step it is asking between 1 and 2, 1. 1 step. Then it gives the value like this. The 1 minus 6. 2 minus 1. And 3, 16. Look here. This is less than 0. This is greater than 0. Root lies between 2 and 3. And fourth one coming, not necessary. Okay, leave it. Then look here. Therefore, root lies between 2 and 3. And now look here. Minus 1 minus plus 16. Which is nearer to 0? Minus 1 is nearer to 0. Therefore, root lies nearer to 2. Suppose if it is 0.1, suppose instead of 16, 0.1, then root lies nearer to 3, you have to write. Then root lies nearer to 2. That lies between 2 and 2.5. Now, location of root between 2 and 2.5. Now, already you have entered the apex value. The same, again, look here, you press the AC button, then the apex has came on the display of calculator and equal to button. Then look here, 2. You press the 2 button and end value 2.5 button. And step is 0.1. 0.1, not 1. Here we have taken step is 1 because the difference between 1 and 2 is 1. Here difference between 2 and 2.1 is 0.1. Therefore, step is 0.1. And press it. You get, for the 2, you are getting minus 1. 2.1, you are getting the 0.061. Then look here. This is negative, less than 0. This is more than. And rest of values are not necessary. Therefore, you can write. The root lies between 2 and 2.1. But lies nearer to 2.1. Look here. Minus 1 is greater than 0.0, which is nearer to 0. 0.061 is nearer to 0. And this is far away, little far away. Therefore, root lies nearer to 2.1. Root lies nearer to 2.1. Now, look here, my dear students. The first value, A, this is A value in the Regula Falsi method. And f of B, this is B value, minus 1. F of A value it is. And B, 2.1, B value. And f of B is 0.061. Okay. Now, next. Now, by Regula Falsi method, you write the formula x1 equal to f of B. This is f of B. This is f of B into A minus f of A into B divided by f of B minus f of A. Then f of B is 0.061 and A is 2 minus A means minus 1. This is f of A. This is f of A. Look here. F of A is minus 1. F of A is minus 1. And B 2.1 divided by f of B 0.061 and f of A minus 1. Now you can use, look here, you can use the calculator for calculating this. You take there, you press the on the calculator mode button and COMP, and now the division button, look here, this button divided by this button, division button, and alpha A, alpha B, minus alpha C, alpha D, divided by alpha A minus alpha C, and press the calculate, the calculate button. It asks value of A, B, C, D. You enter there, numerator value. Automatically denominator value is entered, equal to button, 2.094. Okay, now look here, my dear students. The x1 is 2.094. Then again, you can put this value in calculator in the fx value. Then again, use the calculator. You bring fx means fx value. That is, you clear the calculator and again the alpha x and shift x square means x cube you brought it minus 2 alpha x minus 5 and you can press calculate. It asks value of x. The value of x is what? 2.0094. If you press it, you get minus 0.006 less than 0. Now, look here. Earlier, f of a is minus 1 and a value is 2. Now, you have to replace this a value. Now, new value, this is minus 1. It is far less than minus 1. Means it is a new value of fa and this is a. Therefore, a equal to 2.094, f of a equal to minus 0.006 less than. And again, x2 value you can calculate f of b minus f a minus f of a into b divided by f of b minus a. Then look here, f of b is already 0.01. Then the new value of a is 2.094. Then f of a value is also changes minus 0.006, 006 it is, 006 and into 2.1. Then you already you have entered this, then you go back in the calculator, you bring this, the AB minus CD divided by A minus C. You bring that expression and again calculate button, you press it. You can enter the value of A, value of B, value of C, value of D. You can get 2.095. X2 is 2.095. And you put this value in fx. Then that is again the clear the calculus, go back to the calculator, you bring the expression x cube minus 2x minus 5. And again, you bring that expression, calculate button you press. It asks value of x. Value of x is 2.095. If you press it, look here, it is 0.00. This is nothing but RHS. We had x cube minus 2x minus 5 equal to 0 required. You got it. And therefore, x equal to x2 equal to 2.095 is the real root of the equation. In this way, you have to calculate, my dear students. Have a nice time and wish you good luck in exam.